Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate using Google Cloud Service accounts for BigQuery, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate using Google Cloud Service accounts for BigQuery, start by navigating to the Google Cloud Console. Sign in to your Google Cloud account. Select your project or create a new one if necessary. In the left-hand menu, click on I am an admin. From the drop-down, select Service Accounts. Click on Create Service Account at the top of the page. Enter a name and description for the service account. Click Create to proceed to the next step. Assign the necessary roles for BigQuery, such as BigQuery Admin or BigQuery User. Click Continue to move on. In the next section, skip adding any users and click Done. You will see your newly created. Click on the service account name to access its details. Navigate to the Keys tab. Click on Add Key and choose JSON. A JSON file will be downloaded to your computer. This file contains your service account credentials. Keep this file secure as it grants access to your Google Cloud resources. Now, open your terminal or command prompt. Set up your environment to use the Google Cloud SDK if you haven't already. Use the command to authenticate with your service account JSON file. Type CloudAuth activate service account key file equals path underscore to underscore your underscore JSON underscore file. Replace path underscore to underscore your underscore JSON underscore file with the actual path to your downloaded JSON file. Once activated, verify authentication by running CloudAuth list. You should see your service account listed as the active account. Now, access BigQuery through the command line or any supported client library. When using client libraries, make sure to include the service account credentials. You are now ready to perform operations on BigQuery using your service account. For further tasks, refer to the BigQuery documentation for specific queries and operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.